What's up, CCV kids? I'm Matt. Who's this handsome guy next to me?
Wow, you're so kind. I'm Gavin.
That's Gavin. Gavin, what is our challenge today?
Our challenge today is called What's That Sound? Cat Edition.
Meow.
Just like that.
Just like that, except all the sounds we're gonna be hearing may not be like that, right, Gavin? Yeah, we're gonna listen to some audio files, and we have to guess, is that a cat making that sound or not? So Gavin and I will each lock in our answers, and then after we've done that, we're gonna see the thumbnail, the video file, where the sound comes from, and see if we were right or not.
Yeah, see if it's a cat or not.
That's right, tally some points. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's go to our first sound right now.
Our first sound.
If it's a cat or not.
Okay.
Let's listen in.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay, well,
Wow.
our first sound, I'm gonna say it's a cat because it sounds like a purring cat that's also kind of sleeping, so it's snoring but also purring. So I'm gonna say it's a cat.
All right, so I'm gonna say it's not a cat. It's a woodchuck. Just for
Okay.
fun. I don't know.
Well, let's
Not a cat.
find the
Let's find
answer.
out.
Let's see what is actually making this noise. Oh, it's a little pupper.
It's a dog! I almost guessed a dog!
And his tongue is out. Oh.
He's cute.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Nope. That is it's not a cat. I think it's a child.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's not a cat. I agree with you on that. I think it's some type of school recital, and they're doing some type of cat rendition musical. Okay, let's see what we got. What? No way. We were both completely wrong.
Bird! Well, we were right, it's not a cat.
It's not a
so
cat.
we just don't get bonus points for guessing what it was. That's a
That was
bird!
So accurate.
Meow, meow.
Next sound. Okay.
What? All right, I'm gonna say yes, that's a cat. Just because at first it really doesn't sound like a cat.
I'm gonna say no, but I honestly have no idea what it could be. What?
Yeah!
Wow. Oh my goodness. That was a cat trying to be a dog.
That's mind-blowing.
Okay, next sound. Let's hear it.
Meow.
Okay, the sound is not from a cat, so no.
I don't think it's from
from a
it's-
human.
It's not from a cat.
Meow.
Yes!
Meow.
Oh man.
That was disturbing. Definitely not a cat.
I'm gonna say it's a dad dressed up as a cat that's at the front door that's just yelling in the screen. So next sound.
All right.
Oh man. Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna go for a dog. It sounds like a dog thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the same thing.
Okay. We'll say it's not a cat, we'll
Not
say
a cat,
it's a dog.
dog.
And the answer is it's a cat.
It's a cat! That cat needs prayer.
What's this sound? I'm just gonna say it's not a cat, but it's a dog. I feel like dogs make those sounds.
All right, I'm gonna say it's a cat. I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay.
It's a cat.
So I think it's a dog, you think it's a cat.
Yeah.
And the real answer.
Here we go.
Oh, yes! Oh, poor dog.
2 more. All right. I think it's a cat.
It's a cat? I'm gonna say no. I think it's a baby that's being tickled. And that's its laugh.
Ooh.
Let's see what we got here. Oh.
Yes! Are we tied now? We're tied now, right?
is.
Tiebreaker. There we go.
Tiebreaker unless we both get it right.
That's right.
We'll see. Here's our next sound.
Dude,
Man.
that's... All right, I'll mix it up. It's not a cat.
I was gonna go with that, but
All right,
for the sake of the game, I'm gonna say it is a cat.
it's not a cat. It is a small child. That's gotta be one of them, right? I keep guessing that. All right, let's see what we got.
All right, I say it's a cat, you say it's not a cat. Oh, it's just a regular cat. Oh,
Gavin is the winner. Say what, meow?
say what, meow?
All right, well, I lost that one, but good job, Gavin.
Thank you. That was well played.
Thank you. Man, a lot of those sounds were just really weird, really strange. We weren't sure what it was. Right now in your groups, I want you guys to tell us about a time that maybe you heard a strange or weird noise, a sound. You weren't sure what it was. Tell us what happened.